Hi guys, welcome to PHP tutorial series. From last couple of videos I am working on creating a report in PHP like this report. Okay, see, in my last video I was writing down the code to display reports in my table, but somehow I was getting an error. Let's see. Okay, let's select first PUC and commerce. Okay, see, I'm getting data in horizontal way. Okay, I need to fix it out. Okay, let us see. tr okay, it's repeating, that's why it's repeating. Okay, let's take this out and paste it here. Okay, instead of that I will delete it and I will come here and create a new row here. Okay, now let's save and let us refresh our page. Okay, now you can see all the data is displaying properly. Now, okay. See, I had given some height to this container initially. Now I need to remove this height. Just go to, where is our container? Yeah, here it is. Just delete it. Now let us come to our page and refresh. You can see our container is not restricted with the height. Okay, now let us select second PUC and select science and refresh. Okay, our data is now changing based on the drop down menus. Second PUC commerce, if I select and then submit, okay, data is changing. Okay, this is how you have to create reports. Okay, now let us go to our index.php. okay, let me just revise this. Okay, this is a select box. Okay, here I'm fetching one of the drop down values. This drop down values I'm fetching from database. You can see I have given a query here. Select star from standards. Here it means I'm fetching all the values from standards table. Okay, with this mysql fetch array I'm fetching the data in the form of an array. In this here I'm fetching and assigning this to this array. Okay, here this I'm fetching the values which I have fetched in the form of an array. Here I am assigning those values to these variables. You can see id and standard name, okay, are in the form of array. Okay, I am assigning standard name and id to these variables, and this variable I am displaying here standard id, this id and value. This will be the value row data which is displaying here. Okay, if I inspect it, right click inspect element, and if I see here, okay, you can see here, okay, option, this value equals to 1 2. This is the IDs by which number the data is stored in the database, unique ID. See, this is the standard ID which is displaying here, and this first PUC values is displaying with the help of this. Okay, same has to I have done for courses. Here you can see courses, the same logic. And now I come to this form. Okay, this if is set $_post submit is telling that if this data in drop down and courses fields is set, that means it's selected, it has any data in these text boxes before submitting. If it has some data, then it will take that data from the drop down. Here it is standards representing this first standard select box name. Okay, this name with the name of this standard here, select checkbox, select drop down menu is have a name has standard. This standard I'm referring here. Okay, the name, with the help of this standard name I am referring the drop down value. Okay, now you understand how I am referring drop down values here. Okay, and these values are whatever values or drop down items user gets selected, those values will assign to these variables standard name and course name. And with the help of this query, okay, select students dot fname students dot gender from students, where students dot student standard id equals to this value, whatever value user has selected in the drop down. I am I have given it in where clause. Okay, now I have executed this query and I have fetched that data in the form of an array, the way I had done previously. Okay, now I have assigned those values fname and gender to variables, and I've used those values and displayed here. Okay, in td. Now you understand, I hope you understand how I have done this and how it works. All execution you know. Now if, see, this is how it's working. If I choose first PUC arts, it will display me the students from first PUC arts, and if I select second PUC science, it will display me the students of second PUC and with their gender. Okay, I hope you like this video series, how to create this kind of reports in PHP, and I'm sure you will use this kind of functionality in your academic projects. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. Goodbye.